So if you have installed the Trello extension inside of your Chromium-based browsers, what you can do is you can search for cards from right inside your URL bar. So what you can simply do is type in T and press tab, and the Trello search engine appears just like this. So note that this only appears when you have the extension installed. So I'm just going to go around over here and type in, let's say for example, scene, just like this, and press enter. So what happens is that it opens up the search bar from Trello just like this, and you can see that the scene is being searched out and it lists out everything just like this. So you can also press T and tab, or you can type in Trello and press tab and same thing happens. So you can go around and search for something like, let's say, Twitter tube. So I'm just going to type in Twitter tube just like this, press enter, and it searches inside of Trello boards for you and lists down everything that says Twitter tube. And that is how you can directly search from the URL bar once you have the Trello extension installed. And if you have not installed the Trello extension already, then you may want to take a look at my lesson 34 on how to install Trello extension in Chromium-based browsers. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.